We'll guide you through how to bring back the back button on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So, you can go and see at the bottom here. I haven't got the back button, the close button, or the menu button, and I want to go and get these back. So, what we're going to do to go and get this back is go and swipe up. We need to navigate to the settings. Then, what you need to do is go and scroll down and go and find display. Tap there. In display, what you then want to do is you want to go and scroll down and you want to go and find navigation bar. You can then go, and at the moment I've got swipe gesture selected to go and get the back button back. Select buttons. Just go and wait, and very shortly they're going to go and appear again at the bottom. And you can actually go and choose the order here whether you want the back button on the left or the right. And that's it. Then back. And I can go and close with that button and open up my apps there as well. That's it.